Hello everyone, I'm Christine A. Marcelino, a grade 12 student of Accountancy, Business and Management. So in this video, I will going to discuss the Statement of Comprehensive Income, the SCI, Statement of Changes in Equity, the SCE, and Cash Flow Statement, the CFS, and its compositions. But before that, I will wear the blindfold. And now, the first that I will discuss is the SCI. Statement of Comprehensive Income provides a summary of a company's net asset over a given period of time. First, we need to put the heading, which is name of the company, name of the statement, and date of preparation. Emphasis on the wording for the comprehensive income is important because of the amount helped to reflect a company's true income during a specific time or period. This is valuable information businesses with a large amount of investment. Compositions: sales less sales discount, sales return and allowances is equal to net sales, cost of goods sold, add beginning inventory, purchase less, purchase discount, less purchase return. Freight in is equal to cost of goods sold available for sale, less ending inventory, cost of goods sold. Gross margin from sale operating expenses. Selling expenses, add advertising expense, sales salaries expense is equal to total selling expenses. General administrative expenses, add depreciation expense, office supply expense, during expense is equal to total general administrative expense. Total operating expense. Income from operations, other total, and expenses, interest revenue, interest expense, total other revenue, and expenses is equal to net income. Next is SCE, Statement of Changes in Equity. This statement explains the changes of a company's share capital, accumulated reserves, and retained earnings over the reporting period. It breaks down changes in the owner's interest in the organization and application of netting profit and surplus from one accounting period to the next. Compositions: opening balance, add net income, other income, issue of new capital, less net loss, other losses, dividends, withdrawals of capital, closing balance. The statement of changes in equity is important because it allows analysts and reviewers of financial statements to see what factor caused a change in owner's equity during the accounting period. You can find the movement of shareholders serves on the balance sheet. Last, the SCF. It is a financial statement that shows how changes in balance sheet accounts in income affect cash and cash equivalent, and breaks analysis down to operating, investing, and financing activities. Compositions: cash flows from operating activities, cash received from clients, less payments to suppliers, add payments to employees, add payments for office rent, add payments for insurance, add payments for utilities is equal to net cash provided by or used in operating activities. Cash flows from investing activities. Payments to acquire service vehicle, add payments to acquire office equipment is equal to net cash provided by or used in investing activities. Cash flows from financing activities. cash received as investment by owner, add cash received from borrowings, less payments for withdrawals by owner is equal to net cash provided by or used in financing activities. The statement of cash flows is very important to investors because it shows how much actual cash a company has generated. The income statement, on the other hand, often includes non-cash revenues or expenses, which the statement
Thank
of
you
cash
for
flows
watching and listening.
excluded.